with us on this Sunday. I'm Todd Santos, and you are watching around-the-clock coverage of Hurricane Sandy. It is already a historic storm, and it is far from over at this point. Let's show you where the system is right now. There it is off the coastline. Again, still just lashing portions of the Outer Banks with the heavy rain, the winds. Again, we've been just talking about some of the relentless conditions there. Shortly, we'll check in with Julie Martin, who is out in Nags Head there on the Outer Banks. Again, we've already seen at least some water rise, even on the sound side, as far as some flooding is concerned. And it's just going to get worse across many of these areas. Now, I want to bring you the very latest here. This is coming into our satellite center here at the Weather Channel. Police in New York City are using loudspeakers to order residents who live in low-lying areas to evacuate. You really need to take this seriously. New York Harbor will shut down this evening. Cruise ships and other vessels are being diverted from the area. The next advisory from the National Hurricane Center is coming up at 5 p.m., the top of the hour. And honestly, we're not expecting to see many changes at this point. It's not going to be disappearing from the map. It's just more information for all of us to kind of ingest here and talk a little bit more about the system. And want to bring in our hurricane specialist, Brian Norcross. Brian, you know, at this point, really want to make sure that people are truly ready for this, especially in the Mid-Atlantic, because we're already seeing the effects.
It's already happening in Mid-Atlantic. The water is rising. It's flooding, as you saw, and as you showed there, Todd, in the Norfolk area, and the water is just going to come up slowly all along the coast until Sandy goes by you. And, of course, it's not going to go by New York, and it's not going to go by Connecticut, not going to go by Rhode Island. It's going to come in south, so that's just going to continue to push